To get this house into Blender, we're going to need to export it. Before we do that, let's go to Home. I'll show you another way to duplicate your file and rename it. So here's the house I'm ready to take. I'm going to click on these three little dots and duplicate it. When it does that, it just adds a 1 to the end of the name. So let's rename it. First of all, I'm going to put today's date, 2/03, and change textured to FBX. That's the format that we're going to export. I'll also take the number off the end. Opening that house up, we will go to the three little lines, the File menu, and instead of downloading, we're going to export. And the format we're going to use is that FBX. Keep all of this the same. Click Export. It's going to send it to the exporter. It can take a while for that to work. So we don't need to wait here in order to download it. We can always come back to it later. Again, three little lines. Export. It's the status dashboard. Once it's done, we'll download it. It'll go to the Downloads folder, and we are going to extract the information that's inside that zip file. I'll download this one so you know what that looks like. It's in the Downloads folder. See the little zipper there? That is what we need. We actually need the contents inside of this folder. So a couple different ways of doing that. You can right-click and say Extract All. That's the best way to do it. Keep that the same and extract. This is the folder that was created, and this is the FBX file. You can see it right here. And this folder has all the textures that were used. If you didn't use any textures, you might not have that folder. This is what we'll be importing into Blender. Let's keep a copy of that by moving that zip file. Remember, it's the one with the zipper. Let me go to the top. And we'll keep the one that's all zipped up in case we need to get it again. Going to the 3D Modeling Project folder for Blender. Here's the FXB. If when we import it, it doesn't work, we'll delete this so we don't have one that doesn't work.